Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here for sale the Golden Castle Villa, Hotel on the Greens, Rosal Estate, Montego Bay, St. James. This is exactly what dreams of luxury are made of, elegantly tucked into the lush Jamaican landscape. This stunning villa is all you need. It consists of 12 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, offering the ultimate vacation getaway with luxury amenities and full staff quarters in a stately setting. Enjoy breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, access to Doctor's Cave Beach, and the Cinema Hill Golf Course right at your doorstep. The villa's private amenities rival those at any resort, from the state-of-the-art home theater, conference room, game room, billiards, darts, etc., and minibar area to the fitness center, spa and sauna facilities. Soak in the Caribbean sun from outdoor living area featuring a pool, hot tub, barbecue, bar, and plenty of room for lounging and dining. Inside the villa is gorgeous and traditional with spacious column-lined rooms that open to the terrace through wide doors. The land area of this property is approximately 57,935 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this luxurious property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $3.25 million or Jamaican $500.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.